ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 83, Macros. So this is the beginning of section 17. In this section, we're going to learn what we mean by macros and play with some. Then we'll be learning how to record a macro, how to run a macro, and how to assign a macro to the Quick Access toolbar. Okay, so let's get started with Lesson 83, Macros. A macro is a sequence of commands which can be recorded and then played back when required. Macros are useful for automating routine tasks, simplifying complex worksheets, creating custom menus, dialog boxes and buttons, and running other applications. Macros are usually created by recording the actual cell and menu selections themselves as they occur. As an aside, once recorded, macros are stored as instructions written in Visual Basic code. It is possible to amend macros or even create them directly by editing this code. Another point is that Excel has different macro security levels because of the potential threat from viruses. The default security level is set to disable all macros with notification. This has to be reduced for this feature to work with the accompanying data files. So we're going to do that now. To work successfully with macros, the Developer tab has to be displayed. It isn't on the menu bar at the moment, so if it is not already displayed, click the File tab, then click the Options button, and then in the Customize Ribbon section, check Developer under Main tabs. Then click OK. Now we have the Developer option on the menu bar. On the Developer tab, in the Code group, click Macro Security. The default setting is Disable all macros with notification. The security level will remain at this level until it's changed. Click OK to leave this as the default. OK, now let's open the workbook Hockey. This is a workbook that already has macros attached to it, and we know this because it has the .xlsm file name extension. If I do File, Save As, you'll see this is set as an Excel macro-enabled workbook. It's a .xlsm file. OK, let's go back to where we were. If you get a bar across the top with a button at the end saying Enable Content, click on Enable Content to allow the use of the attached macros. OK, the league table has just had some results added to it. To sort the league table, on the Developer tab, in the Code group, click Macros and choose Sort League. So this is a macro that's already been set up. Then click Run. We've now carried out the sort. The league is sorted first by points descending, then by goal difference, and then by goals for. Enter Prepared By and your full name in cell A12. On the worksheet, the command button Print has a Print League macro attached. If we click the Print button, it'll print a copy of the league table. OK, if you close the workbook without saving, we'll be working with a different worksheet in the next lesson, which will be Lesson 84, in which we learn how to record a macro. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.